Hi, my name is Dan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blueprint class or a blueprint asset, if you prefer to call it that. And this is actually really easy once you know what you're doing. I'm in the content area down here. Oh, I should just say this is a standard third-person template that I've got up. Nothing's been added here at all. And I'm just in the root of the content folder here, and I'm going to right-click. And this brings up a whole lot of things that I can choose. There's lots and lots of different kinds of assets you can create. And there's some under blueprint here that includes blueprint class, but there's some standard ones, the most commonly used ones. Higher up here, this is a blueprint class. So if I click on that, it will then ask me for a parent class. So all blueprint classes have to have a parent class that's one of the built-in classes in Unreal. Otherwise, you can't make anything work. And the one that you're almost always going to pick is the top one, which is actor. And an actor class is any kind of object that has a presence in the world, which is probably what you're going to want. There are more complicated ones as you go further down, and in fact, if you click on this expander here, you have access to all the classes that are available through Unreal. And there's quite a few of those. But we're going to click back on that, ignore that, and go back to actor, click on that, and it's created a new asset. The name is highlighted in blue, and we can type in our own name. So I'm going to just put in my blueprint, press enter. And that has created a blueprint class. There's no content to that yet. If I drag that into the world, it'll give us that little blob, which is showing us where it is in the world, but that'll become invisible once we play, just to prove that. Yes, we can't see that anymore. But if I add any elements now to this class, this instance of the class will reflect that, and they will appear where that object has been created. So I told you it was really simple. That's it from me for now.